That Vegas desert dust doesn't just stay outside, it gets inside. It's hiding deep inside your home's lungs, the HVAC air ducts. That's why cleaning air ducts offers real health benefits in our city. Your ducts trap nasty allergens like dander and mold, triggering allergy attacks. Nevada's dry, windy climate makes this buildup faster. Your AC circulates it constantly. Look for 3 quick signs: lots of dust, musty smells, or suddenly worse allergies. It's not just about health. Clean ducts can also boost AC efficiency to lower energy bills. Don't ignore what you can't see inside your system. Is it time to clean your home's lungs?